we are getting our first snowstorm. Wow, the sunglasses out the way, geez. Oh my gosh, wow. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley. I'm a stay-at-home mom of 2 children, Ezra, who is 5, and Tess, who is 2. We got an absolutely massive amount of snow overnight. We got about 6 inches just in one night. So we are definitely gonna go outside and play in that today. Come along with us today. We're gonna have a really fun day and join us.
Thought you'd be the one for me. Won't you tell me how you feel? I shared my dream with you until the morning. Everybody else have done it right. Coming out to see me try. As I turn away and cry, you run up to me and take my hand. I wish you were the one who made me whole, and I won't be turned. You and I should be the ones to learn. All I want to say, ain't no good to look the other way.
I just wanted to come out here and show everybody. Also, if you don't have a slippery on your light switch, what are you doing? Anyways, so I thought I would come out here and show you guys some of the snow we got overnight. This is our sunroom. I don't think I've shown this room yet, just because it's so cold, so we don't really have any reason to be out here during the winter, but look at that. Good morning, Desi. Are you carrying some important stuff? Are you carrying 2 school buses and a moose? Yeah. You only take the important stuff, huh, girlfriend? So we finished breakfast. Tess is halfway in her snowsuit already. She is ready to go. We're gonna maybe rest and digest for 5-10 minutes and get outside, finally start playing.
You know that I'm the queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, baby, know that I gave it my all. I believe in us. I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us. Please don't give up on me. At least give me a try. 'Cause you're the best thing, best thing. You're the best thing that
lay down and flap your arms. There you go. Flap them. Make a snow angel. You're making a snowfish. Look at that beautiful snowfish.
It's like you almost know what I am thinking. 'Cause I believe in us. I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. 'Cause you're the best thing, best thing.
We just got back inside and unfortunately we had to come in really quickly because it was so cold. We only got to spend about 15-20 minutes outside playing. So that's a little bit of a bummer, but we have so much snow. I know that we're gonna have this for a couple days. Did you have fun in the snow? Yeah. We're gonna go ahead and make the kids some hot chocolate. Thankfully, we bought these quite a long time ago. And now we get to have them for the second time.
I bought these mugs at Target about 3 years ago, and I bought every single zodiac sign, all 12 of them. Unfortunately, I did not plan on having 2 of the same signed children. I have 2 Scorpio children, so I only have 1 Scorpio mug. It's a little bit of a bummer.
That's for the marshmallow. That's for the marshmallow, and I can't collect marshmallows. I get my first marshmallow. Yeah.
Ooh. Is that delicious? Mm-hmm.
Yeah, marshmallow was delicious.
Good.
Thanks, Tess.
I'm happy it was delicious. Everybody's finishing up with lunch, and I'd like to say that we have some like really big exciting plans for the rest of the day, but we do not. I'm going to fold 2 gigantic loads of laundry that I have been avoiding
12.
for some time.
12.
It is 12.
It's 12.
12.
It's 12.
12 o'clock is his video game time. That's when he's allowed to play his Switch for the first time in the day. So it is like a super exciting time for us. Relaxing break time is sadly ending. I have to like pull myself from this couch because I'm really leaning into that relaxing pretty hard. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get dinner started a little early. I'm going to make like chicken cutlet sandwiches on a honey wheat bread, do a side salad. I'm gonna try to like look through my freezer and see if there's anything I can use up to make more space in there, because I have one of those vertical, like side-by-side refrigerator and freezers, so it's pretty hard to store a lot of stuff and I gotta make some room. So I'm gonna see what I can get out of there. It's gonna be pretty hard to get off this couch. It's really comfortable. I got this Valentine's Day blanket at Target. It was like $10, I think. And I always get these $10 fleece blankets for every holiday, and I change them out, and I'm trying to make it a cute little tradition because I just think that would be a fun little memory that I have a blanket for all the holidays. Procrastinating getting up. Okay, time to go. Do dinner things. Maybe turn on some like lights first because we were really leaning into relaxing. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that started.
I used to think I had plenty of dreams and light in my life. So my glass was half empty, but you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. My glass was always half empty, but now you're in my life. Far away from the city lights.
Remember that laundry I've been talking about all day? Yeah, me either. I totally forgot about it, and when I walked out into the other room, I saw it and totally remembered that I absolutely needed to do that today.
It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. We have come all this way, love, so I don't see us stopping now. My life's an adventure, 'cause you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. Now my life's an adventure, and you're the reason why. I'm far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same look. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out.
Hey, time for another get to know me moment. I am a type 1 diabetic, and that's the kind where it's an autoimmune disorder and it lasts forever. So right before I was done with putting away the laundry, my blood sugar went low and I had to stop and drink a juice, which is my typical remedy. It can definitely be annoying because I had to stop and do a chore while doing a chore. So yeah, that definitely gets old pretty fast.
Totally finish up the laundry. I'm gonna show you guys. First you have a basket And then I do this move. It's gonna be loud, I'm probably gonna like mute it or something, but nice. Good enough for me. So there's not too much left to do today. I really can't think of anything else that like we would want to do. It's almost 7 o'clock and we kind of go to bed and tuck in really early. We wake up really early, so we go to bed really early. Thank you so much for spending the day with us. I had a really great day today, and if you enjoyed your time here, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Gonna be uploading some more stuff really soon. And until my next video, bye!